Atlanticstorm has mad landfall in Nova Scotia, Canada, not before it brought high wind, rough surf and torrential rains to New England.
It's been a windy day. That's kind of a typical storm kind of a day. Not extravagant, but always dynamic. The ocean's always dynamic no matter what storm you get. Wind is not typical. It's definitely the nor'easter kind of a storm rather than a ocean storm coming in.
Lived here 30 years. I've never seen anything like this ocean right now. Hurricane Lee visited us, as many of you know, and it's wild, absolutely wild. I'm at this beach every day with my big beautiful dog, and when I pulled in and saw all these cars, it was shocking. And then when I got out and saw the surf, it's just incredible. I mean, we've been seeing these swells all week, so we knew something was coming, but never seen anything like this. Oh, absolutely, we dodged a catastrophe. Yeah. I mean, if this hit us head on, of course, this area right here is the highest point on Cape Cod. So, I'm 150 feet up, which most is sea level here. So, we're pretty protected in this area, but we were very lucky to just get these tropical force winds and nothing more. I have some branches in my yard, but that's okay. And we have this.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification button for more videos.